Alright guys, let's get today's video started off with this dust collection kit right here from Powertec. Now this kit is 2.5-inch diameter. This is going to be for your runs going from tools to tools. This is going to include everything. This is going to include your collection pipe, your gates, all of your elbows, a reducer, and all of your mounting hardware. This thing is on special on Prime Day, day 3 for 129 bucks. Dust collection is one of those areas where you can and should cut costs. Powertec is the way to do it, and Prime Day specials are even more of a help. So pick this kit up today if you're in need of some dust collection stuff, and let's get on to the next item. All right, so item number 2, let's talk about this featherboard made by Bow or BOW Products, however you want to say it. So this thing uses like EVA feathers, and what that's going to do is it's going to allow for a little smoother run of your material across the featherboard. It's also going to keep more of the featherboard in contact with your wood. It's going to give you a little more stability and safety, and these are very well known as far as being some of the best featherboards on the market. And today this thing is on special. This thing is great price, great product if you're in need or wanting to upgrade your existing featherboard. Right now, today is the time to do it. Grab this before these are gone. Next item. All right, so item 3, we're going to hit this track saw square, and this is made by GoingMake. Now, we've brought up them a couple times in the past few days, and down in the comments, you guys have mentioned how much you like their tools. I am a firm believer in GoingMake. They are making extremely good products, and this track saw square is something you will need out in your shop, especially if you don't have a table saw or if you are needing to cut down your sheet goods at an angle. This is going to allow you to line up your track at the precise angle you're looking for and get a very precise cut. So GoingMake tools, high quality, good company, up and coming. They're making some really good stuff. So this is an item you probably should have out in your shop. I would grab one today. All right, item 4 and 5 we're going to hit here. This is going to be DFM Toolworks. Now, the small square I have promoed before, and I love this thing. It is solid aluminum, and it is going to compare to the Woodpecker's brand as far as build quality and precision. The benefit here is it comes with these 2 little pins that allow you to not only use this as a square, but you can also use this as a centering device for your material. This thing is 41% off, and it's all the way down to 20 bucks. You're not going to ever see this again at this price. I would grab one of these. This is another one of those items that even if you're not in the market for a square, you should grab this at this price before these are gone off of Prime Day deals. Next item. Let's stick with DFM on this one, and this is their small carpenter's square. This thing is extremely precise, and again, it's made out of metal. It's not plastic. It is extremely durable, and I have both of these out in my shop, and I use them regularly. Most of the time, most of the projects we're building don't require a large square, so these small ones are perfect. They're easy to keep on my workbench and in my area. Super helpful. And right now, this thing is 23% off. This is down to $34. This is a great bargain as well. And this thing is extremely precise. As I mentioned on the previous square, I'll put this up against woodpeckers any day as far as their precision. Grab one of these today. Prime Day, day 3 is going to be wrapped up, and this is probably going to be gone. All right, next item, let's talk about this Freud router bit set. Now, this is an item that is not technically on Prime Day special, but I've promoted this before, and it's back, and I have to throw this out there for you guys. So this is a Freud 13-piece set, all 1/2-inch shank, and if we look over online anywhere, you're going to find this thing runs anywhere from $280 to $320. Right here at Woodcraft, it's $319. Head back over to Amazon, the same exact kit, the same exact model number in the wooden case, just like you're going to find at the specialty store, 179 bucks. The last 3 times I have promoted this item, within 3-4 hours, people were messaging in the comments saying that the price had gone up. So I would grab this while they have this at this price again. This is an unbelievable set at an unbelievable price. All right, this next item, let's keep on here with some router bits. And here's a little lower end set for you guys who are not wanting to spend $200. This is made by Bosch. It's going to have most of your common router bits in there. It's going to have some 1/2 inch shank bits and some 1/4 inch shank bits. Most of your popular bits are going to be in here: flush cut, round over, chamfer, etc. This is a great price. Bosch makes some really good product, and at 99 bucks, this is a steal here on Amazon Prime Day. All right, this next item is another one that is not technically on Prime Day special, but it's something that I feel like we should talk about today. This Bora Forstner bit set. This is a 16-bit set. You can find it at the specialty stores, you can find it at tool manufacturers, and Bora makes extremely good products. Now, I have found it everywhere on the internet, and the lowest price I can see anywhere is $299. Run back over here to Amazon and look at this price, $208. This is literally $90 cheaper. This is about 33% off compared to what you're going to pay for this all over the internet. Bora makes good product. If you're in the market for some Forstner bits, this is the set. All right, item 9 is this card scraper set. This set right here is going to include 6 different shapes of card scrapers, as well as the burnisher. Now, I have popped up once before a card scraper set, and you guys loved it. This is a different manufacturer, but at this price point, we need to put this in our cart and get this rolling. 14 bucks is going to get you 6 different scrapers and the burnisher. Card scrapers are something you'll find that you use more often in your shop than not. And if you don't own a set, this is a great way to get into these. 14 bucks, 6 pieces and a burnisher. Grab it while it's here. All right, and finally, let's talk about this sanding block. This is a precision sanding block made by X-Fasten, and X-Fasten makes the double-sided tape that I promo regularly here on the channel, and you guys love it. Some of the best double-sided tape on the market, but this little precision sanding block is going to come in extremely handy when you're getting in some tight areas or working on some smaller, delicate projects. The handle's ergonomics going to fit really well in your hand, and it's going to come with 100 sanding pads, 5 different grits, 20 of each, and replacement pads are available. This is a great price for this little kit, 11 bucks. As with everything else on Prime Day, this won't be around long, so grab one of these while they're here. All right, that is all I've got for you today. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to the channel. For the next couple of days, I'm going to be posting more of these Amazon Prime Day special videos. Once Prime Day is over, we're going to get back out into the shop. I've actually got my shop under construction, and we are moving forward. I know, it's about time, but it is happening. So, if you have not already, click that subscribe button, take 5 seconds to click that like button down below, and most importantly, leave us a comment. That's all I got for you today. I'll catch you tomorrow with 10 more items that are on Prime Day specials. Catch you guys on YouTube.